Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Zero SR Sport Bike, all electric, automatic transmission, 13.0 amp, break that 13.0 kilowatt batteries. Beautiful condition, only 11,700 miles. It's got that little mini windscreen. Come on by, make your all-electric motorcycle dreams come true for just $79.99. This bike is in beautiful shape, silent as a little mosquito. You're gonna love it. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.